Let's start with chapter number 13, inequation. So when there is a statement of equality, it's called an equation. And inequation is just the opposite. We don't have the statement of equality. We have greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, or less than equal to. These all are called inequations. Now what is linear inequation? Now linear inequation is when the power of the variables, now variables are like a to z, any variable, it's not greater than 1, or you can say it's equal to 1. It's called a linear inequation. So this is linear inequation and this is not a linear equation as the power of the variable is 2. Next, coming to what is a replacement set or a universal set. Any set from which the values of the variables are chosen, it's called a replacement set or the main set, the universal set. Now solution set means it's a set of the elements chosen from the replacement set. So we'll see one example, it will be more clear. Now let's check one example. Suppose I say that replacement set has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and my inequation is x is greater than 6. So for my solution set, I have to choose all the elements, all the numbers, all the members which are more than 6 from the replacement set 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that will be my solution set. Sometimes they also ask you to represent your solution set in a graphical form. That means you have to draw a line. You can take any number like any numbers like starting from 1 to 10 or depending, it's your wish. I prefer taking the replacement set on the number line and then highlighting the elements of the solution set, like it's 7, 8, 9, 10. So just darkening the numbers and putting a circle around the numbers. That's called the number line. Now let's talk about the first exercise. They have given you the replacement set and the inequation is x is less than equal to 6. So you have to choose all those elements which are less than and equal to 6. This equality sign is there. So less than equal to 6 means 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then putting it on the number line is the graphical representation of the solution set. Next question is x is less than 8 where x is a whole number. Your replacement set is x such that x is a positive integer and x is less than equal to 7. Converting this into the rooster form, because this is given in set builder form. So we need all the numbers less than equal to 7 and we want the whole numbers. So all whole numbers less than equal to 7, write them down starting from 0. And the solution set will be based on this condition, x less than 8 a whole number. So from your replacement set, choose all the numbers less than 8. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next condition is x is less than 5. The replacement set remains the same. And less than 5 means choose all those elements which are less than 5. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's your solution set. Now the replacement set has minus 2, minus 1, 0. Sorry, the replacement set was different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and we had chosen all the elements less than 5. That was 1, 2, 3 and 4. The replacement set has minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to choose all elements less than 5. So less than 5. Leaving 5, all the positives including 0 and the negatives are it's the answer for your solution set. Now when we have condition in this way, x is in the center and there is a number on the left as well as on the right and x belongs to integer. Now how do we read it? Starting from minus 1 up till 4, we have to take all the elements, and whenever this equality is there, we have to take the outer elements also. So we have to take minus 1 and up till positive 4. So that will be your solution set, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then putting it on the number line. Again, starting from minus 2 up till 2, because x is an integer, that's minus 1. Now equality is not there, so we are not going to take minus 2 and 2. Minus 1, 0 and 1 and putting it on the number line. Again, less than 6, all the natural numbers. So less than 6, all the natural numbers begin with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then putting it on the number line. Again, from minus 5 up till 0, you have to write all the elements. That's minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. There is no equality, so the outer limits will not be included, and then putting it on the number line. Now starting from 6 up till 8, equality is there, so you are going to take 6 and 8 as well. Solution set will have 6, 7 and 8 and then putting it on the number line. The first exercise finishes here.